Hi guys, here's how you can use DeepLiveCam with OBS Studio on macOS. Now for those who do not have OBS Studio, kindly go to this obsproject.com and download it for macOS and install on your Mac. After this is installed, then open the DeepLiveCam. Let me open this. I'm using the one-click installation for macOS. So here's the DeepLiveCam, and I will use this image which I have downloaded from Pixabay. So select the face. Here is the image and click on live. So here is the deepfake video. Once this is done, click on go and go to applications and open the OBS Studio. In the OBS Studio, this scene will be there by default. In the sources, click on this plus icon and then click on macOS Screen Capture. You can give any name you want. I will leave it to default. OK. And in Method, choose Windows Capture. After this, on Windows, simply choose Python Preview. And here is our DeepLiveCam video. OK, and you can adjust the size accordingly. So here is how you can use DeepLiveCam on OBS Studio on a macOS. Thank you very much.